Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 22nd of September. European equities opening higher today, buoyed by dollar weakness, which in turn caused commodities and basic materials stocks to rise, as well as the oil and gas sector. However, equities on both sides of the pond did pare back gains after worse than expected Richmond Fed and house price index data out of the US. Elsewhere, fixed income traded to the downside initially, however pared back some of the losses as equities edged to the downside, with T-notes and bunds moving into positive territory. However, worth noting, gilts have underperformed. In terms of FX news, as mentioned already, the dollar recommenced its downward trend, which saw the dollar index shed 0.9% at its low. This in turn put a bid into energy, with WTI crude printing good gains on the session. Elsewhere, the Canadian dollar came under pressure after worse than expected Canadian retail sales data, while Kiwi dollar benefited from a narrowing current account deficit, which is at its smallest in 4 years. In terms of US equity specific news, Conagra Foods reported better headline EPS for the first quarter, however missed on the revenue estimates. Company also boosting its forecast for full year 2010. Elsewhere, we've seen Lowe's reaffirm forecasts for full year 2010, and Yahoo is reportedly seeking as much as $500 million for a small business hosting unit. Also of note, analyst Mike Mayo says US bank shares are due for a drop because loans made for commercial real estate will sour and lenders will need to raise more capital to cover credit losses. On the broker move front, Google price target raised to $560 from $480 at Canaccord Adams. Goldman Sachs' price target and EPS estimates raised at FBR Capital. Hewlett-Packard has been raised to outperform from neutral at Credit Suisse, while Macy's also raised to buy from hold at Citigroup. So looking ahead, we'll be looking out for the results of the $43 billion 2-year note auction scheduled for 1800 London time, that's 12 o'clock Chicago time, then followed by the weekly API numbers, which are due after the close today. Also of note, we'll see the WTI October futures expiry at the NYMEX pit close.